Another Mysteries here.
I'm Chloe.
And I'm Kayla.
And today we're going to be doing a Slimer versus Slimer YouTube video.
It's like a challenge between us.
Okay, so basically how this challenge works is we have 3 different slimes: fluffy slime, flown slime, and fishbowl slime. And we're going to have to make them in it's not really timed because we don't want to mess it up, but it's going to be whoever makes the best slimes. You guys can judge, and we're going to judge ourselves to see who makes the better slime.
So let's get started. We're going to start with fluffy slime.
Okay.
So first we're going to get our glue. Okay, so now we've got 2 containers filled to medium,
halfway because I don't pretty much expand it a lot. So we're going to get started. We're kind of competing here, so we really don't want to help each other out. So
yeah. Okay, so we get that glue.
And whoever has the most points wins, basically. That's
yep. So
by the way, to make this challenge, we were inspired by Karina Garcia.
So I've got my glue in the bowl now.
So have I.
So I'm just going to start by adding my scent for this one. I'm going to do it first.
I'm going to start by adding my lotion and
what should I do, guys?
We obviously have different techniques.
What kind of fluff do I want to make it?
I want to add too much.
I know.
I'm going to do a little bit of lotion.
Orange creamsicle. Remember our video, Orange Creamsicle Butterfly Slime?
Yes!
That was from the beginning.
Whoa, cross lines here. Okay. I guess I'll do cotton candy. I was going to do orange creamsicle, then Kaylin.
Sorry.
Kaylin took it, but that's okay. So I'll do cotton candy, and I guess I'll make a pink slime.
Pretty. Okay, so yeah, mine is going to be like an orange, of course. No. Of course.
Okay, so mine, do you think I should add a little bit blue? Not that you guys can talk about it. I wish you guys could, that would be nice.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, you guys look I smell cotton candy. I definitely smell cotton candy. I'm going to add a little bit more. I was going to add blue to be purple, but I don't think I want to. I think it's
even though I'm your opponent, I just like it. Sorry. Okay, so I got this orange color. It's not really orange creamsicle, but it's orange, and that's what I want.
This is my pink, if you guys can see.
I personally like her color better because it's pink. Who doesn't like a good pink?
But you want to go with what the scent is, so. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit of that, and then
this is what I'm
gonna start activating, and if it's a little stiffer, then I'll add a bit of lotion. So this is our activator. We use Tide.
I actually love this.
It started sticking up.
I actually love this.
Wow.
I'm not gonna overactivate. I actually try to underactivate it because I always overactivate it. Okay, guys.
So we're trying to activate our slime.
We're activating it and making it.
Kaylin figured out that hers needed a little bit more shaving cream.
Yep.
I think mine is honestly
fluffy.
Yours is super fluffy.
What was that? Oh no.
Okay. We're gonna kind of clean up a little bit and put our slimes into containers, and we'll be right back to make the judgments. Okay, so we have finished and we've cleaned up, and now it's time for the judge test.
Ready?
Nerve
switch. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Oh, mine is super light.
It is
really heavy.
Okay, ready? See how?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, first let's do the stretch test.
Okay, let's take it out. Oh my gosh.
Okay, stretch test.
Okay, wait, it's a little sticky. Okay, ready? Stretch test. Super stretchy. A+ on stretch.
A little like stiff. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay, that.
So that one kind of looked crunchy.
This one took longer to stretch, but it had a little bit more crunch.
Okay, so yeah, more
And
crunch.
yours, or mine, like stretched really quick, but had a little less crunch. Okay, for fluffy test, I don't really think it's that
This one's
fluffy.
really fluffy, but it's just too sticky.
This one is too stiff, and I don't think it's like fluffy.
So we both.
So I think this one's too stiff, but
This is a fluffy slime challenge, so I think I'm gonna give this one for fluffy. Just need a
Yeah.
little bit more activator, but you guys tell us what you think. But for right now, we're gonna give Chloe a point for fluffy now.
Oh, thank you. Clear glue, and we're gonna measure it out, and we'll be right back when we measure it out. So yeah, we have the clear slime in our bowl.
So we have the clear glue, and
It's okay. I know it's gonna be cloudy, and it's not gonna be the best, and we don't have time for it to clear up.
yeah.
So that's not gonna affect any way, shape, or form of how it's gonna look, how it's
Yeah.
gonna be. These are our options. We have pink fishbowl beads, blue fishbowl beads.
Rainbow and regular.
Okay, so let's move our scents.
So
Because we can use scents, but they'll make it cloudy. So
Okay.
ready, set, go. Whoa, guys, look at this. I think mine is super pretty, but Kaylin's looks like if she had a duck charm. Oh my god.
yes,
Oh my
I
god.
need a duck charm.
Stop. Okay, so I'm adding in this extra fine hollow glitter. This
And
is
I'm
from
adding in-
AC
Shaving cream. I'm kidding.
Okay, guys, that is my slime pet peeve. When people have beautiful clear glue, beautiful glitter glue, and they just add shaving cream. Like, why? Why? No, don't do that.
Unless you're out of regular, but.
No. Oh yeah, I guess. Time to start activating.
To need mine.
Whatever.
You need to need.
Ha. So we both have our slimes like ready. I'm gonna switch right now.
Okay, so let's put the names over here. What's your name?
I don't know.
Okay,
Okay, so
Mine-
Kaylin's is blue with blue fishbowl beads.
And I want to call mine bubble bath because it looks
Bubble
like
bath.
bubble bath.
Mine has clear glue, just clear glue, no coloring, and it's pink and blue with hollow glitter.
And I put some glitter in it too.
Oh, you did? Oh, let's see it.
Just a tiny tad.
Oh, I can see it. Okay, first is the fallout test.
Ready?
Okay, so it's super, super stretchy.
No fallout. So we're both out of fallout. Okay,
So we're even.
super sticky, super like nice and stretchy, but
Oh, that's another. Okay,
we're having trouble with
so yeah. Here. Sorry, this is our first time making fishbowl beads, so I don't think both of
we
ours
both
are-
should get a point because like we're both like it's our first time.
It's our first time, guys. Give us credit. Okay. Oh,
Okay. Okay.
okay. They were both good.
And
On the
crunchy.
crunchy. No, just like crunching it in general. Or fallout.
I don't know.
Okay, so we'll decide at the end because obviously we can't.
How about we just get each of us half a plate?
Moving on to flow.
Yeah, let's get this all cleaned up first.
Back.
Better. That was such a fail, kind of. But we're ready to make some more slime. Foam, which is we're really good at foam because we're experienced. We made foam. Hashtag butter foam slime again.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
crazy. Okay, so let's just get started.
And sadly, we're running low on regular glue. We have to go to the store to get some more. So we're gonna be using clear glue, but
This hurts my heart.
we're gonna add some lotion and shaving foam to it.
Shh. Don't say it.
Because we like clear with foam, but we're just kind of right in the mood for regular glue for some reason. It's like literally water.
You know, clear glue has water in it, so technically it is water.
No.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, let's get started.
Oh, yes, let's get started. So I'm gonna start.
I'm gonna make it a color.
Sorry.
Are you kidding me? I hate it. I hate it. It makes me cringe. So I'm gonna add a little lotion. Oh, I did add a little. I had a little bit of lotion, but it kind of looks pretty.
So, okay, so I'm gonna be adding these because I'm gonna make a s'more slime. It's kind of cool. So I'm adding my s'more scent right now. This is the hardest scent to ever describe in the world. It smells like a fire, a graham cracker,
Doing
a
cotton
marshmallow.
candy again.
Again with her cotton candy. This is like a little like cotton candy.
No, but it's not gonna be cotton candy. It's gonna be animal crackers.
Stuffed animal crackers?
Stuffed animal.
Well, not stuffed.
Oh, so it's a blue base. It's a blue base with rainbow and pink flow.
Ooh.
So
Oh,
these are
if you just do that, it would kind of be like unicorn tears. Unicorn cereal. Okay, so look, mine looks like regular glue. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different, guys. You guys splitting my batters. Yes, guys.
Looks right now. It's beautiful, right? Beautiful. I think I need to add a little bit more blue coloring. I literally only added 1 drop because I want it to be a baby blue, but I don't think that's happening. That didn't make sense.
Huh?
That was really cringy.
Super crunchy.
Comment down below who you think is winning, because comment down below hashtag Team Chloe or hashtag Team Caitlin. Here, I have a cotton candy theme going here.
And I have not
so,
a theme.
guys.
I have a cooler.
Vote for me because
Vote for me.
if we can figure out how to do a poll, because I love doing the polls in the eye,
yes.
either over here or over here. I love doing those, so if we can figure out how to do it, we'll do a poll. I'm trying to vote for myself.
Yes.
On a tangent.
Stiff.
My arm is so tired.
So are mine.
I don't want to. Well, that fun. How pretty mine is, and hers looks like poo.
No, it's chocolate. It's beautiful chocolate.
Guys, comment down below Kaylin's slime looks like poo.
No!
Guys, just kidding, I'm not that mean.
No, everyone's gonna do it.
No,
Everyone's
don't
gonna
do it. Don't
Do it, guys.
Guys, don't do it.
Don't do it. It's kind of funny.
It's chocolate, not poo. I was just joking.
And I'm gonna rip, then I'm gonna stretch. Okay. Watch mine become stiff in this round. And yours become like sticky.
Graham cracker.
Make it a little lighter. Actually,
How can I make it lighter?
no, add
Well, I don't care about overactivating this enough because I'm really behind.
Just comment down below if you know that song. No.
I don't think I'm even singing it right. That's probably why you don't know it.
What is it?
Comment down below if you think I'm just making up that sound. No, I'm kidding. I'm not.
It wasn't playing.
No.
It wasn't playing. I swear.
Okay, so sadly what happened was we didn't get to film our thoughts on each other's slime, but her slime was still a little bit sticky but more foamy. Mine just didn't have enough foam in it,
Yeah.
which was sad. So we have to tell you guys the winner what we decided on.
So
Ready? The winner is
Chloe! Thank you so much, Chloe.
But don't get us wrong, Kaylin's slimes were amazing too. That was just the winner of this challenge. But that doesn't mean I'm the better slime maker. We both agreed that we're both good at slime making, but I just won this particular challenge.
We just decided because of her colors and her concepts of all her slimes, even if they were sticky, they still looked amazing and they all kind of play on together.
Yes, and so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, turn on the post notifications to get a shout out, and tell us in the comments. And we'll try to put the poll of who you think won.
Bye guys, thank you.